Hi loves, so welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, it is going to be on this really pretty winter inspired makeup look. I did not do my base routine in today's video because I just wanted to keep it about the eyes, and I feel like I always do my base routine in these videos, so I just wanted to keep it more on the shorter side today. So of course I'm going to be starting out with my P. Louise base in the shade 2.5. I love this base so much, so I'm just going to pack that until everything is nice and even. So the first shade that I'm going to take is this nice chocolate brown shade in the Huda Beauty Wild Tiger palette. Unfortunately, this is discontinued, you guys, but you can definitely just take similar shades. You don't have to use these exact ones. But yeah, unfortunately, all the palettes that I use, I feel like are discontinued. Maybe one isn't, but yeah. So after I placed that shade in the crease, I just went ahead and went in to the Aura shade in the Rose Quartz palette, and I'm just going to be taking that in the inner corner. I wanted just more depth in the outer corner and a little less depth in the inner corner of my crease area. So yeah, I just did that. And to be honest, you guys, with this makeup look, I did not use too many transition shades. So once I applied those two crease shades, I just diffused it out and just make sure everything was nice and blown out as you got higher up to the brow bone. But I did make sure that I went back in and intensified the crease, because when you do this step, you tend to lose the intensity. So I just went back in with those shades, diffused it, went back in, diffused it, just the same thing until I got the intensity that I wanted. So I decided to take this orange shade in the Huda Beauty Empower palette, and I just pretty much put that all over the crease area, the transition and everything. I just wanted to warm up the crease just a little bit because I felt like it was just a little bit more on the purple and cool tone side. So yes, now I'm going to be taking these three shades, you guys, in the exact same order that is listed. So I'm going to be taking Self Love, Cherish, and Moon Magic. So the Self Love shade is the more shimmery shade that was in the bottom right corner, so I'm just going to be taking that first, and then I just diffused that and just made sure it blended nicely in with the bright pink shade. And then lastly, I went in with the Moon Magic shade, which is this beautiful duochrome pink and purple and blue kind of shift to it. Packed on that shade until I got it to the intensity that I wanted it to be. And then after I was satisfied with that, I just went in with the very first crease shade that we used, and I just made sure that the edges was nice and blended out and everything just blended together seamlessly. So after that, you guys, I'm so sorry I was so close to the mirror and the camera, but yeah, you guys, I just went in with the cosmetic paint from P. Louise, and I just lined my lash line. It's this beautiful chocolate brown shade, but of course I wanted it to match the very first shade that I put in the crease. So once I laid down that liner, I just went in and I set it with a very small detail brush with that shade that I just told you guys about earlier. So yeah, I just did that and just made sure that the base was nice and set. So now I'm just going to be taking my Benefit Bag Out Bang mascara and applying my lashes. And yeah, you guys, this is literally pretty much the end of the tutorial. All I did for the lower lash line was just use one crease shade, and the same shade that I use in the outer corner is the same shade that I use to put in my inner corner, and that's literally it. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed today's video and you learned something new. Like I said, this is very short. It feels kind of weird, but longer videos will definitely be coming soon. But I hope you all enjoyed it. You learned something new. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah.